Hindi sana ako mag-vlog today eh. Pero dahil minsan lang tayo mag-ayos guys. Ayan, kinulot ko na naman ang buhok ko. Yung force curl. Kaya kailangan talaga ipakita sa inyo na minsan nag-aayos din po ako. At saka ang bahay natin malinis masyado. Alam nyo bakit? Si Nathan may bisita. Kakaiba no? Oo, nagsimula na po siyang mag-imbita ng classmate niya. So ang nanay or pati siguro ang tatay pupunta po dito para makita kung safe ba ang anak niya na papuntahin sa bahay namin. Kaya naglinis po ako oh. Kagabi pa lang, andito po si Bianan, hindi man ako naglag. Nandito po si Bianan, tapos napag-usapan namin ba na si Nathan, sana magkaroon na po siya ng kalaro dito, na ma-invite niya po sa bahay. As kanina, pag punta niya po talaga sa school, sigaw siya ng sigaw na, pwede tayo maglaro sa bahay ko, pwede tayo maglaro sa bahay ko. Di, si Daniel, kinausap niya yung nanay, inimbita dito na tea or coffee. Kaya pupunta po sila, pasundo na po tayo kay Nathan ngayon. Pero hindi ako mag-vlog guys, hindi ko nga sabihin na vlogger ako. Hindi ko po sabihin, tinago ko nga yung ano ko dito, yung plako, ano ba? Di ba plaka? Tinago ko yung YouTube natin kay para wala silang alam ba na YouTube tayo. Hindi nyo po makikita yung kalaro niya guys. Babayaan po natin silang maglaro ng niya no, ng kanyang best friend na si Daily. Ay sabi ko sa inyo sa vlog kahapon na ako na lang mag-iwas sa mga ganyan. Ilagay-lagay po sila sa vlog no. Ay baka pa tayo ba, magtawag pa sila ng mga lawyer dyan, baka madimanda pa tayo guys. Kaya anak man yan nila. Ang nakakatakot dahil sa kalinis ng bahay ko, makasabi siya, wow, very safe ng anak ko dito ah. Oh, tingnan nyo, may masabi pa siya niyan. Oh, grabe linis ko dito guys. So, buksan natin ng ilaw para makita nyo talaga. Lugere. Ay, kalinis ng bahay. Dito pa oh, lugere. Hala, hindi ko pa pala nalagyan ng ang lugere. Yung natin dyan, patawo. Wala po talaga sa plano na mag-vlog ako today. Yun lang kay nakita ko ang itsura ko. Nakapicture good ako. Nakapost good ako sa Facebook. Aywan ko na lang talaga kung may masabi pa siya. Grabe linis. Pinay pa naman tayo. Kakaiba maglinis. Tinatago sa kung saan kung anong matago. Gusto nyo makita yung mga pinagtatago ko? Yung mga alikabok, pinagtatago ko. Ito gusto ko talaga to itago. Itago na muna natin ito. Dito na muna to sa ating dishwasher. Tissue lang po ang laman yan. Dito na muna. Tapos pagbukas, makita nila no. Hindi man siguro buksan yan ni Daniel. Bantayan lang natin. Para maganda. Look at that Di ba mas magandang tingnan? Ito. Mainis ako. Itago ko din to. Itago na muna yan sila. Para wala siyang makita. Maganda lang yung nakikita niya. Bago pa naman ito. I'm so proud. Para makita niya. Maganda ang lagayan ng mga natin, ng mga garlic, ng mga patatas dyan. Gusto din talaga namin yan para kay Nathan guys, na magkaroon na po ng kalaro dito na madala-dala niya po sa bahay. Para hindi na kami mag-isip gawin namin sa kanya, mag-entertain po sa kanya. Kaya ngayon gusto niya na magsigi kami laro ng board game guys. Ito, hindi niya na nalalaruan yung mga laruan niya dyan. Kaya, nung last time, kung napansin niyo, si Daniel may gusto siyang bilihin sa store para daw laruan kay Nathan. Sabi ko, madami ng laruan. Si Nathan, pag may laruan siya, isang beses niya lang laruin. Tapos, mga 2, 3 beses, tapos na siya. Walkie-talkie na binili ko, wala na, nakalimutan niya na. Maganda yung may kalaro po siya na mag-agawan sila ng laruan dyan.
Where did you put the green?
You need that?
If I'm going to give them coffee or tea, I'm going to need the...
Open that. Tadaan! So,
leave it here.
Hinahanap niya na, guys. Hindi pa nga naka 5 minutes. It's not even 5 minutes there. You're looking for it already.
Yeah, because if I'm making coffee or tea, I'm going to need to throw that somewhere.
Ilabas na pala natin itong mga cookies natin dito. At saka dates. Pang partner po sa coffee.
Push.
Meron po.
I say push. What do you do?
Pull.
You pull.
Pang merienda.
3 hours later.
Magbabay na ang friend niya. Bye, Daily! Bye-bye na. Yun. Ganito ang pangyayari na. So, andito din yung nanay the whole time. Kay magluto pa ang nanay niya. Bakit daw mag-uwi na? Ako din, magluto pa ang nanay mo. Andito din the whole time ang nanay, guys. At saka may isa pa siyang anak, 1-year-old. Next time na naman, okay? So, yun lang yun, guys. Yun lang. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you for watching.
1 day later.
Saan naman ang ganda natin? Nawala naman. Ano naman ito na naman yung Garnet? Balik ka na naman sa kalusyangan mo. Good morning.
Good morning.
You know, you remember, we had a visitor. I was very, 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 very beautiful. And now, I'm continuing the vlog. Look at me. Still beautiful. Good morning. Because it's weekend, Mama gave you a very, very yummy gummy bear. Actually, 2 days na po yung mga pangyayari. 2 days ago. So, kahapon, umalis na po tayo. Nag-roamingan kami ni Dayan. Kahapon ko po sana i-continue yung vlog. 2 day na lang. So, nagpunta kami ng roamingan kahapon. At, look at that! Look at that! Wow! Grabe niya kaitim. Oh, nakabili po tayo ng yummy, yummy Nokos, guys. At itong isa, this one. This one. Yesterday, I went to the Kroningen. I forgot my cellphone. And then, when I went home, come here, student.
After me worrying about you for a whole day, you're not sending me messages, you're not calling me, you're not anything, huh?
But that's nothing to what I discovered. Come here.
You know what you discovered? You discovered eczema.
Eczema. Look, this was very, very red yesterday. This was very, 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 very red yesterday. Like fresh. Very fresh chikinini.
Chikinini.
In English, it's hiki. In Tagalog, it's chikinini. Ngayon, pag-uwi ko, hindi, inalis ko na. Yeah? It was out of my mind because I was with Bianan still. I cannot get mad. And then, when we were going to bed last night, I remember again because I saw it again. I remember again. And then, I said, what did he do? What?
Yeah, and then what happened? You found out that your iPhone is not working well.
Well, not yet. Step by step ba? Para mag-ano ka sa buhay. And then,
you blame me for
wait
your
lang
iPhone.
ba? Wait lang ba? And then, what happened when we were in bed? So, I was thinking about it again. I was palpitating, guys. I could not even breathe anymore because I was thinking, maybe my husband is cheating on me. Why does he have a chikinini on the neck here? And it's super fresh. And then, because we have a doorbell and we have all the CCTVs in the world. And then, I was looking at I was about to look at our doorbell in the online. When I look, guys, I was kicked out. I was kicked out by the...
Logged out.
Kicked out. I was kicked out by our online for the
You were logged
doorbell.
out by your iPhone.
So, anyone who goes through that door will see. So, you cannot even cheat here in this house because we have all the CCTVs in the world. Even there, if he will put it there, we can see. And then now, I cannot log in. Who kicked me out? And then, we log in again. We log in again in our doorbell. And then, when I saw there, something came missing. Something is missing, And you know which is missing? It's deleted. I thought it was deleted.
It's not deleted, mahal. It's your iPhone.
3 o'clock. Hoy, 3 o'clock to 5 o'clock was deleted. Where is the 2 hours? How can that be? I was thinking, maybe can be deleted. And there's a thing deleted there. But, I found out it was nothing. My husband is so faithful. He was just home and...
Your iPhone was just doing crap.
Yes.
And then you're blaming me.
Yes. So
yes.
show the chicken.
Thank you.
Grabe, I was palpitating talaga, guys. Grabe. Sabi ko,
is ready, mahal.
I told my husband, what if that will happen to you? Ha? Sobra pa siguro sa paranoid. Umuwi ako, wala akong cellphone. Tapos pagdating ko dito, diba? Tapos may chikinini ako. Pakakinamot niya yun ba? I think you are scratching, mahal. Kay puti ba yan?
What do you mean? What if that will happen to me? Today, you, alone, without Nata, without me, you went to the train station. I brought you there. And then for the rest of the day, I don't hear anything. It's like you went to your mistress and then you are turning off your phone.
Because you know where I put my phone? Here. I was really thinking, mahal, I really put it in the bag. I put it here. But I brought this. So, the phone was inside. My husband was looking for me to all of my friends. Pity you, mahal. Kiss me. Now you are forgiven.
Now you pity me.
Now you are forgiven because of the chikinini, ha?
There is no chikinini. There's nothing to be forgiven.
Grabe ko ka-paranoid kagabi. Kakaiba. Yung parang nagpapalpitate na ako. Where are the 3 o'clock to 5 o'clock? Where was he? Why is it not here? Buti na lang nakita ko.
Oh.
Makaiyak na.
And then, mahal, you finally saw the movie. It got back on your phone. Where was I? In the garage, working on my desk. Yes.
Careful to what you do in your life, ha? Magnukos po tayo. Parang gusto ko din ng gulay. Gisahin ko to. Gisa na walang karne. Yan lang natin ang mga pangpalasa. Ubusin ko na to. Ibutan talaga natin, palatan natin to, guys. Kung sa inyo nangyari yun, sige daw. Hindi kayo mapraning. You know, what I was thinking, I very have the part of trusting my husband, that I trust him so much, like 1,000, 1 million, 1 billion, 1 trillion %. But there is a part of me that when you can see a hiki, you know, there's a 1%.
There's not a 1% part of you like that. You are a very jealous person.
Unsa man ni siya, oy, don't, ano that, oy, don't say that in the vlog. Hindi, oy, totoo. I trust my husband, guys. I trust him. The girls I don't trust, but my husband I trust. That's what I mean. I trust my husband, but the girls I don't. Grabe talaga. Feeling ko parang natakot na gud ako kagabi kay sabi ko, Diyos ko, saan ang 2 oras? Baka ma-stroke ako sa mga
I think
nagagawa ko kahapon.
I think, mahal, in your mind, I think in your mind, when I'm alone walking in the city, I will be just like this on my phone, you know, like that, not looking around, and then suddenly, in your mind, some girl comes walking up and does.
Yeah,
that's
like
your
that.
mind.
What if that happens to you guys? What will you do? Huh? And then you don't have doorbell camera. No. No, what will I do, mahal, if we don't have CCTVs, mahal? No. No, there's no proof of you. Uy, there's no proof of you not doing anything. What will I do? I think until now, I'm very paranoid. Buti na lang talaga, meron tayong camera sa guys. Kayong naramdaman ko kagabi, ayaw kong maramdaman. I don't want you to feel that way. The one I felt last night, grabe, para akong naparanoid. Kailan ba ako last na nagselo sa mister ko? Parang matagal-tagal na din Sino man silusan ko dito, palagi lang kami sa bahay. Diba? Look at that, guys. Hindi pa yan nainit, ha? Grabe kasarap. Wow. Grabe kabango. Sinong naglalaway dyan? Ilipat ko to, kay dito ko iluto para magkalasa po siya. Lugada, lugada. Lagyan pa natin yan ng sabaw ng nukos. Pusit, ano ba yung tawag nyo dyan? Kaitim-itim. Namiss ko ang tatay ko. Ito talaga ang paborito ko na gawa niya, guys. Yung mangitim nga talaga ang ngipin pagkakain. So ito na nga, kalaki ng problema ko. Luto-luto ako, tinay ko, baho ng bahay ko. Tapos may lakad po kami mamaya, makita kami ni Bianan. May lakad kami, tapos ngayon nag-message siya daw magpunta dito. Kaya para sabay na kami magpunta sa puntahan namin. Message ko siya ngayon na wag. Kaya nakakahiya, guys. Mabaho ng bahay ko. Tapos magputang na natin. Hindi pwede. Buti sana kung Pinay yan. Diba? Kaya alam niya ang mga amoy ng mga pagkain natin. Hindi normal.
Ito na nga. Pasensya nyo na yung itsura. Ay maganda man sa intro. Ayan, yan naman yun.
I miss you, Pang. Tinanggal ko yung mga ulo. Kasi yung mga ulo, grabe ang ano ko, linis ko nito. As in, sobrang logod. Kasi iba ang kanilang ano po dito, ang kanilang squid, guys. Puno ng balas. As in, yung very fine. Parang Boracay na balas. Parang Boracay na buhangin. Ganyan po. Kaya tinanggal ko kasi nagdikit masyado ito. Kaya ko palinisin. Tapos tinanggal ko lang yung ink. Kagabi ko ito niluto. Pagdating ko.
Enjoy my love.
Thank you. You want? Sarap. Naglasa din po siya. Walang karne yun, ha? Miss ko tatay ko. Pati si mamang. Para hindi magselos. Pati si Itay. Miss you, Tay. Ano lang akin, Tay, pagdating ko dyan. Anong masarap paluto kay Tay man? Chicharon bulaklak, Tay. May ibang part na makagat ko pa rin ang buhangin, guys. Yung una, na bumili ako nito, hindi ko talaga nakain. Tinapon ko. Kaya grabe ang buhangin. Ngayon, konti lang. Siguro mga 5 buhangin yung nakagat ko. Saya, bakit mo pinatay ang TV? We are going to love each other. Now that Mama is done eating, then we can love each other.
Why do you love each other?
You don't love Mama?
Yes.
You don't love Mama?
Yes.
What is that? Yes, you don't love Mama?
I do love Mama.
Oh. Guys, tingnan nyo. Paborito ko po ito nung kabataan ko. Look, Nathan! Unsa naman ang bakit ka kasi nabukol? Hindi niya din alam bakit siya nabukol. Why do you have this there? Ha? What happened? Pa-smile-smile ka, kami nakita kang candy. Sayawan mo muna kami, be. Magsing si Mama, tapos sayawan mo kami. Huwag ka nito. Sige na, ayusin mo. 1, 2, 3, go. Ang Pasko ay sumapit. Tayo ay maghasiawit ng mga... I'll give you one. I'll give you one first. And then you dance again, okay? Sige na. You go then. Then you dance again. Kaya para makakuha ka ba? 1, 2, 3. Oh, masarap. Paborito yan ni Mama. Yummy?
Yes. Palito.
Ha?
Palito.
Ano palito? Paborito. Palito. O sige, sayawan mo kami. 1, 2, 3. Hindi na kayo para makakuha ka pa. Ayusin mo, ha? Super good dance. 1, 2, 3. Ang kampanay, tuluyan ng gigising ang bendesyon. Wala, hindi ka pwede mag-dancer, Nathan.
What?
Hindi ka pwede mag-singer ka na lang talaga, ha? Meron pa, isa pa. Tapos ngayon, mag-sing na naman. Doon ka.
You are my sunshine. You are my sunshine. You make me happy. The skies are gray. You never notice how much I love you. Don't take the sunshine away.
Another one. Oh, meron tayong artista for today, guys. Oh, sayaw na naman. Doon. 1, 2, 3, go! Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Ganyan ka mag-dance? Saan mo nakuha yung stepping na yan? Again, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Ano man yan na sayaw niya? And then, another one.
Yay!
now you're so happy.
You have a surprise for me.
And then another one.
Hallelujah. 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 It's surprise.
Wow. Last one.
I say Ollie. R-A-C. R-A-T-D.
Who was that?
The time.
I say R-A. R-A-C. R-A-T-T.
P-P-R-A-G-G mop.
Whenever you use your phone now, I will be like that. Who is that? Who is that? Who is that?
That would be my son and me.
I love you so much.
Last one, because you're so sweet.
Me too.
Try
I'm
this.
so sweet.
This is my favorite candy when I was like 7 years old. Do you like the taste?
It's just a little mint.
Yeah. And sweet?
No.
Magkano na yan sa atin ngayon, guys, ang Stay Fresh?
Mama.
Kamustahin natin ang tatay niya kay may ginagawa sa taas yung kanyang computer. Sabihin mo, thank you, Mama Rhea, for the nice pajama, beautiful pajama. Galing po yan sa ating...
Nice pajama.
Yeah, that's from Mommy Rhea. Uh-oh. Wait lang, my love, we're going there. Para po yan sa desk na ginagawa niya.
Papa?
For the computer desk, baby love. Ano naman eh. Nangyayari dito, kababalaghan. Hindi pa pala natanggal yan dyan. Piluinin pa yan dito. Labahanin. Labahan natin. Tingnan mo si Papa. Desk nga guys, oh. Makalat pa yan ngayon kaya tinanggal na yung ano niya dito. Kanyang work desk. Pinalitan niya po. Yan yung ginagawa niya. Tapos ito yung nabili na second hand na table.
Wat gaat er nu doen als ik klaar ben met mijn bureautje? Dan?
Dat weet ik niet. Maar ik ben nog lang niet klaar met maken van het bureautje.
Dan.
I think he wants to play with you. Halika, alam mo anong magandang gawin natin ngayon?
Yes.
Magpapogi at magpaganda.
Gaan we spelen?
Diyos ko, puro
Een
laro.
spelletje?
You want to play with Mama?
Yes.
What do you want to play with Mama?
Een spelletje.
Oh, di. Kaya magpapogi muna tayo kay makahiya na masyado ang mga itsura
I
natin.
am Pookie.
Ah, you are pogi. I know. And Mama then? Mama is?
Pogi!
Out.
Hoy! Tawa-tawa ka pa dyan. Sabihan mo ako ng out. Matanda si Mama. Ikaw ay, ano ka? Ikaw ay? Maglinis ka ng ano mo. Ng...
Now I out.
Linisin mo yan. Matanda pala ako ha.
Mommy Leia. Mommy Leia.
Kinantahan ng haleluya si Mami Rhea.
Mommy Leia. Mommy Leia. Mommy Leia.
Kinantahan mo na ng haleluya si Mami Rhea. Ipakita mag-OTD ka doon. Doon ka mag-OTD para makita nila.
Because Mommy Leia is kind of me.
Why is she kind?
Because she get a nice pajama of me.
Kagaling naman mag-English eh, kahit mali konti. Doon, o dali na, ipa-OTD mo sila doon. OOTD guys.
OOTD.
Ay, kapogi naman ang OOTD mo today.
Pogi.
Yung ano, yung New Balance ang suotin mo mamaya ha.
New Balance, what is that?
The shoes. Halika, mag-shoes ka sa baba. Yung maganda mo na shoes. Tapos mag-snack ikaw ng fruits. And a little bit of cracker. Li! I have something for you! Not yet done. Not yet done. So, are you ready?
Yes.
In 3, 2, 1. Adi, show them. Cracker with...
Me has me a cat. I am excited for this.
What?
I am excited for this one.
Oh, you are excited for this one. Oh, now Mama is very sweet today.
Ooh, Sir has a cat.
Parang siyang cheese whiz, tapos meron po siyang pa-biscuit. Enjoyin mo yan, ha?
Yes.
Na, so mag-so guys ka na. Ang nanay, ganito pa rin tsura, oh. Sunod na vlog, yun na ako makita na maganda, guys. So, guys, thank you for watching.
Thank you.